Here is the app called HOPPY, one video to match, date, chat, meet new friends. Pretty interesting dating app. It's not in top charts yet, but quite interesting concept. On HOPPY, it only takes one video to find a real connection. 87% of users who post just one video get real, genuine matches. If a picture is worth 1,000 words, then a video is worth 1,000,000. Say goodbye to ghosting plus catfishing. Say hi to real people, real convos, and real vibes. Hop on, make one video, and let HOPPY do the rest. HOPPY is the app that lets you watch, match, and chat with people around you. Every day we drop a trending question, you answer, see what everyone thinks, and if you vibe with someone's response, it's a match. Turn on notification and location sharing, post a video answering the question of the day, see everyone's answers around you, match with people you're interested in, start chatting and see where it goes. So here I created an account for you to see how it looks like. So you see that, for example, you can just go and like the person. Then you can send like dislike. Then you can just see what it takes. And then how it works, you need to just make a video. So this is not like a Tinder where you have photos. This is just like kind of short video, and then you match based on videos. And then here's you just have what's better, being funny or being hot, explain, or favorites. So like different questions, and then you just answer that and record your video. So you post your video, and that's basically the idea. Then you have chats, then you have your account. You can see my previous videos, like you need to introduce yourself. Then so you have 3 invites. So if you wanna, you can invite people in. So feel free to use my code. I don't know whether this app is invite only, but quite interesting. So then you have your account. You can block users. HOPPY Plus, you can just activate it. So 1 week, $18 per week, 1 month, $30, 3 months, $60, 6 months, $90. So then you have preferences, and then so then you just have this idea, and then you can invite friends. You can connect with friends. Then you have your account, you have preferences, again, who you want to date. You can select age range, and all these filters are free, so you don't need to upgrade. So that's basically what it is. So again, feel free to use my invite code and have fun with this app.